Imagine looking up at the night sky. Millions of stars shine brightly. But what if alien worlds orbit around them? Exoplanets are planets beyond our solar system. Some may resemble Earth, while others are completely different. But how do we find them? They are tiny compared to their stars and reflect very little light. Yet astronomers have already discovered thousands. Some are scorching hot, others frozen solid. A few might even support life. But could we ever visit an exoplanet? Is there a second Earth out there? Today, we explore the fascinating universe of exoplanets. Exoplanets are difficult to detect. They don't emit light themselves and are often many light years away. Fortunately, scientists have developed clever methods to track them down. The transit method is the most successful. When a planet passes in front of its star, it blocks a small fraction of the light. This appears as a tiny dip in brightness. The Kepler Space Telescope has used this method to discover thousands of exoplanets. The more frequently this dip occurs, the more certain we are that it's a planet. Another method is the radial velocity method. Planets exert a gravitational pull on their stars, causing them to wobble slightly. These tiny shifts can be measured, a clear sign that an unseen companion is orbiting nearby. In rare cases, we can even take direct images of exoplanets. However, this is extremely difficult because the bright light of the star usually outshines the planet. But new techniques, such as special filters and light polarization, are helping us see these distant worlds more clearly. Thanks to these methods, astronomers have already discovered over 5,000 exoplanets. The universe is full of bizarre exoplanets. Some are hotter than stars, others as cold as Pluto. Some are larger than Jupiter, while others are barely bigger than our moon, and their conditions are often more extreme than we can imagine. Kelt 9b is one of the hottest exoplanets ever found. With temperatures over 4,000 degrees Celsius, it's hotter than some stars. Its atmosphere is literally evaporating into space, a planet that is slowly disappearing. TARES 2b is the complete opposite. It is extremely dark, reflecting almost no light. This planet appears jet black, as if it absorbs all light. Why? That remains a mystery. Its atmosphere may contain unknown chemicals that trap light. On WASP 12b, there might be glass rain. Tiny silicate particles could form in its hot atmosphere, falling as razor-sharp glass droplets. A planet where it rains shards of glass, truly alien. Then there's Gliese 1214b, a mysterious water world. Scientists suspect it is covered by a deep global ocean, possibly stretching for miles below the surface, but with no land in sight, just endless water. These planets show just how strange and diverse the universe is, and who knows what extreme worlds we'll discover in the future. A planet needs very specific conditions to be habitable. But how likely is it that a second Earth exists somewhere out there? First, it must be located in the habitable zone, the right distance from its star so that liquid water can exist. But that alone isn't enough. The planet needs a dense atmosphere to trap heat, magnetic fields to shield against cosmic radiation, and stable temperatures to create life-friendly conditions. A promising candidate is Proxima Centauri b. It's only 4.2 light-years away, practically next door in cosmic terms. It lies in its star's habitable zone, meaning liquid water could be possible. But there's a problem. Its host star is a red dwarf, known for violent radiation flares. These eruptions could strip away the atmosphere, making the surface uninhabitable. Another exciting candidate is Kepler 442b. It is slightly larger than Earth and could have a dense atmosphere. Some scientists consider it one of the best options for a second Earth. But we don't yet know if it has liquid water, a protective atmosphere, or even life. Even if a perfect second Earth exists somewhere, it remains out of reach for now. With today's technology, a journey there would take thousands of years. But who knows? One day, we may find a way to reach the stars. But what about life? If alien microbes or even intelligent civilizations exist, how could we detect them? And how would we know we're not alone in the universe? Scientists look for biosignatures, chemical substances that hint at biological activity. These include oxygen, which plants or microbes might produce, or methane, which often comes from living organisms on Earth. The James Webb Space Telescope can analyze the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. If it detects unexpected amounts of these gases, it could be a sign of life. But there's another way to search: technosignatures. If an alien civilization exists, it might be sending radio signals into space, or building enormous structures that we could detect. One fascinating idea is the Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure that surrounds a star, harnessing all its energy. If we ever see something like that, it would be clear evidence of an advanced alien civilization. So far, we've found nothing: no biosignatures, no technosignatures. But the universe is vast, with hundreds of billions of galaxies and countless planets. Maybe, somewhere out there, a second Earth exists, home to beings asking the same questions we are. Are we alone? Or is someone out there waiting to be discovered? The search continues. Visiting an exoplanet would be the ultimate dream. But with today's technology, it's impossible. Even Proxima Centauri b, the closest known exoplanet, is 4.2 light-years away. Our fastest spacecraft, Voyager 1, would take over 70,000 years to get there. But there are exciting ideas for the future. Light sail probes could be accelerated by lasers to 1/5 the speed of light, reaching the next star system in just a few decades. Nuclear fusion rockets could drastically shorten interstellar travel times. And then, there are the most extreme ideas: wormholes or warp drives. These remain purely theoretical, but who knows what the future holds? Perhaps future generations will witness the first journeys to exoplanets. The search for exoplanets reveals how incredible the universe truly is. Is there a second Earth? Is there life out there? And will we one day travel to the stars? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more exciting science content. See you next time.
Die Suche nach Exoplaneten zeigt uns, wie unglaublich das Universum ist. Gibt es eine zweite Erde? Gibt es dort draußen Leben? Und werden wir eines Tages zu den Sternen reisen? Was denkst du? Schreib es in die Kommentare. Und wenn dir dieses Video gefallen hat, lass ein Like da und abonniere für mehr spannende Wissenschaftsthemen. Bis zum nächsten Mal.